Hi, I'm Steve Matthews from MacOM. Today we're going to demonstrate the Machine Defender app, which is part of the RT300 reliability tool. RT300 is a new generation of predictive diagnostics that combines multiple technologies into one diagnostic tool. The other included apps in RT300 are vertical and horizontal shaft alignment, pre-alignment using our unique runout probe, and bearing defender. Machine Defender, which we'll demonstrate today, differs only from bearing defender in that bearing defender is strictly looking at bearing condition, whereas Machine Defender analyzes the whole machine. So in this case, what we'll do is a diagnostic on our demonstration rig here. And to get started, all we need to do is start building a machine in the Machine Defender app. Only a few inputs are required: kilowatts for power, RPMs for speed, flexible or versus rigid mounting, coupling versus having a gear or belt-driven transmission. In this case, we have a coupling. And then several different types of centrifugal machines are included for templates here. We'll use the one for a pump. And then you name the machine according to the asset name and number. And then I can also take a picture of this machine, which will then be set on the report, which you'll see later as we complete the diagnosis. So with the picture taken for reporting later and the machine name, we can get started taking readings. This is our WLS, wireless triax sensor, which is patented. And we'll take 4 readings. At each test location, we select the orientation of the sensor. So now I'll turn on my demonstrator, wait just a moment for it to come up to speed. Now once we do, we select the measurement icon, and we're taking data on the first test location. The next test location will be the inboard bearing on the motor. Moving on, selecting the orientation and taking the measurement again. So we'll do this at each of the 4 test locations. And then my 4th and final test location, select the orientation and take the measurement. So the built-in automated diagnostic system, Accurex, is going to give us a machine diagnosis from these 4 readings. In the diagnosis, we'll find out if the machine is in good health or not in good health, and if it has any problems, those faults are identified and specific repair recommendations given. So in this case, we have unbalance, some resonance, misalignment, and some shock modulation or impacting going on. And once we have this information, we can create a report. Now, reporting with the RT300 is done in one of several ways. We can either document the results right here on the device, or we can email the report, or with the included cloud application, we can send this data or report up to our augmented mechanic cloud application. And there we can store and see history on machine conditions and in the case of alignments, alignment reports. So that is the completion of the whole process by which we measure and diagnose the condition or health of this machine and get specific repair recommendations for each diagnosis. And you'll see each one of these in the report. Thanks again for watching this demonstration of ACOM's Machine Defender app.